Meaning of gloved.
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 Gloved. The word gloved is the past tense of the verb glove, which means to cover one's hands with gloves. Gloves are pieces of clothing worn on the hands as a protective or decorative accessory. They originally served a practical purpose, such as keeping hands warm in cold weather or protecting them during manual labor. However, in modern times, gloves have also become a fashion statement and are often worn as an accessory with formal attire or costumes. Overall, gloved refers to the act of covering one's hands with gloves for either practical or aesthetic reasons.